everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel, The Bookalicious Girl. I'm Karishmita and you all are watching my Bookalicious video. In this channel, I post about book-related videos, vlogs, lifestyle and many more interesting videos which you would gonna enjoy, of course. So if you're interested, please to consider subscribing. And I know that am back in this channel after a very long time, I guess after 2 months. And so yeah, I'm finally back and I am back with a very interesting video for all the book lovelies. And so without any further ado, let's start the video. So in this video, I'm going to post about the books I received in the last 2 months. I mean, not last 2 months, the books I received in the month of October and the books I received in the month of December. And this is going to be the last book haul video of 2024. And I am also going to receive one or two books in this month, which I'm going to share with you all through a short video. But this is going to be the last long video. I mean, not long video, I mean, huge haul of 2024. And the other two parts, part one and part two, I have already posted about the books I received. Yeah. So this is the third one, and I'm going to show all the books to you all. And I received a total number of 21 books, I guess, till now. I mean, from October to this month. Yeah. Because in the month of November, I was actually not active on my social media. I have deactivated my Instagram and I was busy with some other works. And I also suffered from health issues, and for a whole month I was just not posting anything because after having my fever, I was having fever, viral fever, and after that I was not able to read anything. I don't know why, but I was not feeling like to read any kind of books because I was facing a lot of things, like I was depressed, stressed and anything about everything, you know. And I have my exams, final exams, I mean end semester exams, from the month of December, this 27th, and here I am shooting this video. Now you know how I am. Okay, so I have also been reading a book since last 2 days, and that book I'm going to show you is that Kalami, read by V.S. Amitesh, and I have been enjoying this. Like, I am just halfway through this book, and like I'm going to review this book on my Instagram. I do not post a lot of reviews here on my channel nowadays, I know, and yes, I do not post, but I post them on Amazon, Goodreads, and Instagram. So if you follow me there, you know that I post a lot of reviews on my Instagram, but I do not do on my YouTube channel. But yeah, I'm going to like bring a video, I'm going to shoot a video where I'm going to talk about all the books I read in the last months, like last few months, and I'm going to wrap it up over here before my exam. So wait for that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you all the books I received it as a book mail. One more thing I want to tell you all, that I manifested this book mails. I literally manifested books from authors and publishers. Like, I haven't like received any book from the huge publishing houses, but I received a quite number of like books, a good quite number of books from the authors and from the small publishers. But I am so happy that I manifested this in, like, I manifested this the last year, and I received books in this year. Like, I started receiving books from authors from the month of June, and it has been 6 months that I am receiving books, and I'm so grateful and blessed to receive them. Like, I'm so blessed. Like, yeah. So these are, like, I'm going to show you 21 books today, and all the books, I mean almost all the books are I have received in the month of October. And I'm going to show you 6 books, 6 to 7 books which I received in the month of December. So without any further ado, let's start. So the first book I'm going to show you all is this one, Odyssey by Alok Singh. And look at this, this is a poetry, this is a collection of poetries, English and Hindi both, and I am looking forward to read this book before my exam, and I'm going to review this, of course. So this is the first one. So next one I'm going to show you. Yeah, this one. The next one is Raslila by Brijesh Tange. You can see, right? This is so gorgeous. I mean, look at how beautiful is this. I'm looking forward to read this book soon, and I received this book in the month of October. So I'm showing you all the books I received in the month of October now. Then I'm going to show you all like the books, all the books I'm received till now in the month of December. So this is the second one. One more thing I forgot to show you in my last video is that I participated in a giveaway 3 months back, I guess in the month of September or August, and there I won a book. Okay, but I forgot to show you in my last video about that book. So I'm going to show you now. Like, I was the third winner of that giveaway, and the book I'm going to show you is this one, Mahagatha by Satyarth Nayak. And so here is the book. You can see. Look how gorgeous it is. I'm so excited to read this book because I am a huge fan of Indian mythology. I'm so happy. Like, yeah, this is my third giveaway gift, and It's very special to my heart. I love this book. This is a giveaway gift, not an authentic review copy, but still it's a free book. Okay, the third one done. Now I'm going to show you the fourth one. So this is the one. Just Some Thoughts That Changed My Life by Sarika Mani. Look at the book. This is a self-help book, and it's a debut one because the author has written everything she has faced and like learned from her life. So I'm really excited to read this book, but I don't have any time to read this book because my exams are already near, and after my exams, in I mean the next year, I am going to finish reading this book. Okay. Stay tuned, and if you haven't followed me on my bookstagram, then please do it because I post a lot of reviews there. Okay, this is the fourth one. Now I'm going to show you the fifth one. Veil of Forgotten Memories by T.S. Veil. And this is the book. It's a thriller, and I'm very excited to read this. Ghost thriller. I love reading thrillers, mythological fiction, and romance. At first, I used to read a lot of romance, but then I started reading a lot of books. Then my second favorite genre became the mythological fiction, and then thrillers. This is the one. Okay. Okay. This one, Trip to Planets by Himashri with little Krishna and Ganesha. This is so cute. This is like I finished reading this book. Okay, I'm going to post the review on my wrap up video very soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm not going to give you any spoilers now, but it's a very educational book. This book can be read by a kid. But I'm not a kid. I know, but I love to read something like that because I'm actually a kid. Not a kid, but yeah, I'm a kid. Anyways, I'm going to review this very soon in all. I'm going to review this very soon on YouTube too. Okay. Next one. I have already finished reading this book. I have also posted a review of this book. This is the book, Jasmine in Her Hair by Kalpesh Desai, and I have received this book from the author. Okay, so this is the book. This is so gorgeous, right? How cute. And this is a collection of poetry like heartbreak, loss, love, resilience, healing, and everything. I have read, and I haven't finished annotating this book. I have already posted a review, but I haven't posted my annotations. I am still annotating this book. I will be going to posting the annotations on my Bookstagram channel very soon. I'm also going to recommend this book to everyone because this would give a warm hug to you, because if you ever felt heartbroken in your life, then this is the book for you. I'm going to review this book on YouTube very soon, so stay tuned for that. So the next one is Love Under the Spotlight by Prasanna Ratan Jankar, and this is the book. Review copy, of course, and these all are review copies except the giveaway one. So yeah. Okay, the next one. I have already finished reading this book, and I have recently reviewed that book on my Bookstagram. So the book is by Apurva Mathur. I guess you all have heard, if you are a book reader, about this book. Then the book is He Spoke After 10 Years, and it's a murder mystery. I loved it. It was so fast paced. Like, I finished reading this book in just 2 days. So fast paced. I wasn't able to keep the book down. I was feeling to read the whole book in just one sit or two sit, because this is so fast read. So interesting plot, and everything is just so interesting that you are going to finish this book very soon. I'm going to review it very soon on YouTube. Okay, so this is also the review copy I received in the month of October. I'm done with it. Okay, so the next one is from the author of Trip to Planets by Himashri, Truth or Dare. This is the book. Okay, and it's a love triangle story, love story, of course. I love reading this book. Love reading it. Okay, so this is the one. The next one by Bharat Thakkar, and the book is Mahabharata for the Young Mind. So this is the book, and it's about a self-help book, but not self-help. It's a mythological fiction. So yeah, I'm very excited to read this book. I'm going to read this book after my exams. Okay, so this is the book. The next one I'm going to show you is also a book that I have already finished reading this book recently, and I have annotated this book so much that I love this book so much. I have annotated a lot of things over here, and it's again by Himashri, and the book is Four Tangled Lives. Okay, so this is the book, and it's based upon a story of astrological love story. It was so interesting. The plot was so interesting because astrological love story. Oh my god, this one is something unique. I love reading this book. I'm going to review it. I'm going to talk about this book on YouTube too. Stay tuned for that. And one more thing, we are matching. I'm matching with this dress. I mean, sorry, I'm matching my dress with this book. Blue, blue. Okay, this is the book. The next one is a self help book, and I know it would take me a little while to read this book because self help books are not my type, but it's a review copy, so yeah, I have to do. The book is by Dr. Kaushal Shah. Caution, mad mind is awake. You are being transformed to be a shit hit leader. And this is the book. This is gorgeous. So yeah, again I'm matching my dress with the book. So yeah, this is the book, and the next one I'm going to show you all is the last one I received in the month of October. This is a hardcover. Okay, and this is by Mr. Rameez Ahmed Muhammad, The Vaikuntha Pali, The Rolling Ties of Faith. So this is the book. It's again a mythological fiction. I'm very excited to read this book. So this is the book I haven't read. It's a hardcover, and yeah, I'm going to read this book and share my thoughts upon it. Okay, so these are the books. So here are the books I received in the month of October. And now I'm going to show you all the books I received in the month of December. Like I didn't receive a lot of books, but I received the box set and one single book, which I'm going to show it to you now. Okay, first let me show you something. It's not books, but it's a box. I ordered it on Flipkart, and I have already unboxed it. And this is a
set of six scented candles, and I'm going to show you to you all. I want to show it to you all. I thought that I'm not going to show it to you all, but I then thought that okay, let's show it. So there are like six scented candles. The first one is rose. You can see. Okay, this is rose. The second one, jasmine. The smell are so good except the jasmine one. Next one is vanilla. Then we have lavender. Then we have sandalwood. Okay, then we have lemongrass. And we are done.
okay. So now I'm going to show the books to you all, and that's the last thing I'm going to do, and then I'm going to end the video. So now I'm going to show you the book set. Here is the one. This is so tiny, and this is the most cutest book mail I received this year. So cute. The books are so tiny, and look at this box.
It's for kids, but I'm not a kid. But I love to read the books read by kids. So I'm basically a kid. Okay. So these are the books. I'm going to show it to you one by one.
So this is the box. Ganesha. So cute. The second one is Saraswati, Vishnu, Durga, Shiva, Lakshmi. And I'm going to show you something. How it looks from inside. This is the one. Look at it. All the mantras and their meanings in English and drawings. Now I'm feeling like a kid. Okay. 6 books in total. Okay. They're so tiny, right? Cute. Okay. Now, the last one. I'm going to show it to you all for the month of December. It's by Anuja Chandramouli. And I received this from a book club. And these are the 6 books I showed it to you recently. Are also the books I received from a book club. And this is also from the book club. The book is The Wife and the Dancing Girl. So this is the last book of the month December. It's a story about the book I read when I was in my second semester, when I was doing my graduation, Silapati Karam. The book was Silapati Karam. And there I read about the story of Madhavi and Kannagi, where like it was about the woman of chastity. And I read the story when I was in my second semester or my first semester. So it's a story of that, something related to that. And the characters are same over here. Madhavi and Kannagi, they both are here. I want to read this book because it's from my literature course. I love reading something from my literature course. I'm very excited to read this book. I'm interested to invest my time in this book. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching my book haul video. And I hope you all enjoyed seeing all my books. Okay, so we are done for today. And the next video, I guess I'm going to post about book wrap up video where I'm going to talk about the books I finished reading in the last few months. And it is going to be a long video where I'm going to talk about the books shortly. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like watching my video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. And do like, comment, and share. Okay, so yeah, we're done. See you on my next video.